Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Linux Mint 22.1 Xia edition. Both are the latest versions, okay, but the installation process is same on all Linux Mint 22 versions. Okay, so first open Firefox, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the MySQL server version. See here, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.41, but when you installing, if you are unable to find this version, you can click on archives. See here we have the older versions. Okay, so go back to the previous page, then select the version from this list, then select the operating systems. See, in the operating system list we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay, so open terminal, more /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. So I'm going to select here operating system as Ubuntu Linux. See, repositories are same for the Debian and Ubuntu. Okay, so once we selected operating system, then here we have to select the OS version. So I'm going to select 24.04 for Linux Mint 22. See, this is the Linux Mint 22. Select the Ubuntu Linux 24. If you are on Linux Mint 21, select the 22.04. Okay. So once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages which needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle package. So click on download. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. Click on it. See, once we clicked on download started and its size is 484 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Go to here, cd downloads ls. See here, download is in progress. Control A. See, download is completed. Go to terminal again, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file by using the command tar-xf, then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file and hit enter. Wait a moment, it is extracting all Debian packages. Extraction completed. ls-ltrh. See here, ls. See here we have the Debian packages. We have to install these Debian packages. Before installing them, we have to install following, Control A, following dependencies. Paste it. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Type and hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install the MySQL server by running the command sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set up the password for root account. Remember this password which is required to connect to MySQL server. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Then hit enter. See, MySQL 8 uses a new authentication based on improved SHA 256 based password methods. Okay. Select tab and hit enter. See here we have the two types of authentication plugins: strong password encryption and legacy authentication methods. Okay. So select the, see, this is the old one and this is the new one. First one is recommended. It is up to you. So I'm going with legacy. It is up to you again. Okay. Select OK and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, but these packages are not installed. So for MySQL server operation, these are not required. Okay, Control L. Now verify the status of MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is running and it is enabled. Control A. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root is the username, -p means password. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set at the time of installation. Hit enter. See here we have installed MySQL server version 8.0.41. You can also verify. Select version. Now verify list of databases. So databases. See here, these are the list of the databases or schemas that comes with MySQL installation. Now we are going to create database by using command create database bank. Now verify again. Show databases. See here, new database is there. Now switch to this new database and create a table. So to switch database, we have to use the command use keyword. Then provide the database name. Now verify the current database by using command select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, empty set. Now create a table. Create table customer. Now verify again. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have added these two rows. Okay. Now verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. Just I want to show you. See, there is no comment. So we can verify list of users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users comes MySQL installation. So create user James identified by now verify again. See, new user is created. Now exit from this MySQL because we have connected with root account. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with root account. Now exit and connect with new user. MySQL -u James -p. Then provide the password of this user. Now verify the current user. See, we have connected with James user. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we are unable to connect because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges to this user James on this database. Okay, so exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Linux Mint 22.1. So sudo systemctl status MySQL. Now stop it. Again verify. See, MySQL service is stopped. Go to quit Control L. Also we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MySQL. See, we have successfully connected. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl, just give restart MySQL. See, we have restarted MySQL server 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have performed these actions on command line client. We can also connect to MySQL server by using Dbeaver or MySQL workbench. Okay, you can go through my channel, or you can go to Dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Then download the Dbeaver Communities Edition. Click on download. Then you have to select the Linux, that is Linux Debian package. Then you have to install same by using command like sudo dpkg-i. We have to use this Debian package. Okay, so this is the way to install. For MySQL Workbench also, go to mysql.com, downloads, click on MySQL Community Downloads. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then download. Okay, so download this package. Then install. The last option is ls. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40 on Linux Mint 22.1. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.dev ls. See here we have one more file, that is star file. rm give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have successfully installed and configured MySQL 8.0.41 on Linux Mint 22. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.